Hello everyone, my name is Dinesh Kumar son of Subramaniam and my matrix card number is 01DEM22F1001.
Hello everyone, my name is Srinivas Analaki Jagadishan. My matrix number is 01DEM22F1009.
Hello everyone, my name is Shailesh and also Sindhila Dibal. My matrix number is 01DEM22F1032.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Bednor. My matrix number is 01DEM21F. Okay.
Okay, today we are going to present our maths presentation on chapter 2 differentiation.
Okay, first and foremost we are going to explain about the introduction of differentiation. Differentiation is used widely in solving problems, especially in engineering, medical, commerce, agriculture, and many other fields. When you find the rate of change of a quantity with respect to another quantity, you are actually doing differentiation. Another name for differentiation is the derivative of the function.
If a person is running uphill, his vertical height will change with respect to his horizontal height. This rate of change of vertical height with respect to horizontal height is called its gradient. For example, gradient is equal to change of vertical height over change of horizontal height. Generally, to find the differentiation of y with respect to x, just write the symbol dy dx to represent it.
First of all, I will show you example of application of differentiation in real life. The differentiation is the subset of calculus, and there are various applications of differentiation in real world. The differentiation is very important part of math as it is used in many scientific fields. Differentiation can be defined as the process of finding the derivative of the function. Differentiation can be used as a tool for calculation or study the rate of change of quantity with respect to change in some other quantity. And most common example is calculation of velocity and acceleration.
Now, this is a graph of figure 3. The stationary point are at x equals to a and x equals to b because the gradient of each point is 0. You will also be able to say that the point at x equals to a is a minimum point and the point at x equals to b is a maximum point. You know this because you are looking at the graph in figure 3. How you will be able to determine this if the graphs are not drawn? You can make use of the following method. You need to check the sign of dy or dx at points before and after the stationary point. You can prepare a table like this. This is figure 3.
Okay, next we have chosen two questions from the question from all of the list of the questions, and we have find out the solution. Moving on with our question C. Um, the question is the equation of the question is y equals to 5x cubed plus 2x squared minus 7x minus 2, and the dy dx for this question is 15x squared minus 4x minus 7. By using the quadratic formula, we can obtain x1 equals to 0.56 and x2 equals to negative 0.83. With this, when we substitute both of these x1 and both of these answers for the x, we can obtain the y1 and y2. We obtain that y1 is negative 0.28 and y2 is negative 1.26 after substituting the x.
Okay. The next question is they are asking how many stationary points does the graph have? So the answer is therefore stationary points are 0.56, negative 0.28 and then negative 0.83, negative 1.2x. So d square y equals to dx square equals to 30x plus 4. So when the x1 is equals to 0.56 and another x is equals to negative 0.83. So d square y over dx square equals to 20.8, and then d square y equals to dx square equals to negative 20.9. And the next question they are asked to determine the x-intercept and y-intercept. So the answer is x1 is equals to 0.56 and the y1 equals to negative 0.28. And then the x2 is equals to negative 0.83 and then the y2 equals to negative 1.26. So and then they ask to determine the next question they are asked to determine the nature of any stationary points you found in part 2 and then asked to justify the answer. Therefore, there is no point of inflection. So the last question they asked to sketch the graph of the curve. So this is the graph, the B1 is the answer for the graph. So this is our graph for the answer B1.
Now question D. Question D equals to y equals to negative 5x power of 3 minus 2x squared plus 7x plus 2. Okay, Roman 1, dy or dx equals to negative 15x squared minus 4x plus 7 equals to 0. By the way, the answer of Roman 2, x1 equals to 0.56, x squared equals to negative 0.83, y1 equals to negative 5 bracket 0.56 power of 3 minus 2 0.56 squared plus 7 0.56 plus 2, y1 equals to 4.41. By the way, the y square y2 equals to negative 5 bracket negative 0.83 power of 3 minus 2 0.83 squared plus 7 negative 0.83 plus 2 equals to y squared equals to negative 2.33.
Okay, moving on to the next question. They ask how many stationary points does the graph have? So the answer is therefore stationary points are 0.56, 4.41 and then 0.83, negative 2.33. So and then d square y equals to dx square equals to negative 30x minus 4. And then when x equals to 4.41, d square y equals to dx square is equals to negative 136.3. And then when x2 is equals to negative 0.83, d square y over dx square equals to 20.9. And then the next question they are asked to determine the x-intercept and y-intercept point. So the answer is therefore the points 0.56, 4.41 and negative 0.83, negative 2.33. So the next question is they asked to determine the nature of any stationary points you found in part 2 and then asked to justify the answer. So the answer is they are not a point of inflection. So the last question is they asked to sketch the graph of the curve. So you can see the graph through the slide. So the V1 is the answer. So the graph.
Okay, last last but not least, I want to show you something from our topic. As a conclusion, differentiation is the process of finding the derivative of a function, and the derivative is a measure of how a function change with respect to a change in its input. In its input. From this, we can know that differentiation is a approach in teaching all students learn well, despite there are many big differences.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's all from us. Thank you.